Alright, and we are rolling. Alright, YouTube. How's everyone going? Welcome to another episode. We're going to do the Scottish small pipes again with my new ones. Now today, I'm going to talk to y'all about calibrating and tuning pipes. And I just did this yesterday. Calibrated my small pipes because whenever I go to play, my bass drone would shut off. So I calibrated them yesterday morning. Opened them too much, but opened them. So I'm just going to use one of the drones. This is actually just like I said of Highland bagpipes. It's the same style of drone. It's got easy drones in here. You pull this drone out of the stock, very small stock, and then there's a bridle on here. You move it up. I'm not going to move it because I already have mine set and calibrated. So anyways, you'll move that up, test it. You can blow it by mouth. And that is basically how you calibrate your small pipes. Especially with this type of style of small pipe where the drones go over the shoulder. Again, shout out to Gary Guth for helping me with the order of these small pipes, so special thanks to him. He actually runs the bagpipelessons.net, but I ordered these off of his website and his bagpipe studio. He does some Highland bagpipes, but mostly he deals with the small pipes. Anyways, now we're gonna tune the drones on the small pipes. So I'm gonna knock each drone out of tune, and we're gonna tune this small pipe. All right. So I got my drones way out of tune. All right, here we go. Now, this is actually just like a Highland pipe, so I'm going to shut off my middle tenor drone and my bass drone. All right, here we go. Oh. Alright, so now we're going to move this bottom tenor drone to right there. Now I'm going to come up and turn my bass drone on. And now we're going to do the middle tenor. All right, so that is just calibrating. A few tips on calibrating these small pipes is this one is just like a Highland bagpipe. All you have to do is pull this out of the stock, just like any other Highland pipe. The other small pipes, the other type of small pipes, everything is set in a common stock. And then right there, so on my small pipes, I have Easy Drone small reeds. The only difference is the tenor drones are a bit louder than my bass drone, but when I turn one of the tenors off, particularly my middle one, it'll sound more like a regular set of small pipes. So let's do that. I don't have any drone plugs, but that's why I like to just come up here, because this one is easier. Now you heard my chanter cut out a few times. That's because I'm still trying to get used to playing these. I'm so used to playing the Highland pipes. This one works at a much lower pressure, but I can still keep a sustained note, matching the chanter with the drones and the drones with the chanter. So and it's supposed to sound close to A440. Nope, I think one of my bass drum got knocked out of tune a bit. And there we go. So after calibrating my drones, my bass drone kind of went out of tune a little bit. So that's another tip for calibrating your small pipes and tuning your small pipes, especially if you have a style like what I do. It's easy. All you have to do is just take each drone out of the stock, because it's almost like a Highland bagpipe. There we go. So there we go. More small pipe videos to come. I'll probably be doing some more Crosley videos, even though I'm going to be in Kansas. And when we get to Kansas, I will actually be having fun again before I go straight to California. And yes, just like we do every time, when we get to Kansas and when we get to California, we're going to present it like we do a Scottish burn supper. And I'll be able to present with my small pipes, because I have to return my band pipes back to the band. But anyways, there we go. We will be presenting with the small pipes instead of a Highland set. I'll probably still have my practice chanter, because I'm probably going to keep in that one, thanks to Chaz. Just got to verify it with him before the end when I head off to Kansas and California. There'll still be Cyan Light and more presenting to come. I'll definitely give you all a little bit of a tour, feature the record player again. Anyways, thanks for watching, and more to come later.